Good morning and welcome back, everyone. Today's video is sponsored by a company called ULAHAIR, and I'm going to show you guys the packaging that they sent. They were generous enough to send me 3 deep wave 24-inch bundles, and I decided to do a sew-in on Aliyah. So here I'm just showing you guys some of the stuff that comes in the packaging. They had a nice little brochure that told you what to use, what not to do, how to curl the hair, how to style it and make it last longer, along with some more information, their refund policy, their social media, some combs, a clip, lashes, literally everything that you need to get your hair done, guys, they put inside of this kit. So I'm just gonna let that play out on the screen, and I will also be sure to link everything down below like you guys know I always do. And let's get started. So we have the gorgeous Aliyah here. Hey girl. And she is rocking her fro. Her hair is super amazing, guys. It grew so much since we cut it, and I have yet to post a haircut video. But anyway, I'm just going in and sectioning out some leave out because I wanted to do like a curly look on her and like wand curl her hair. But I'll show you guys how it came out at the end. It was super cute, and then Aliyah ended up styling it at home, which made it even more bomb. So I'm just going in and braiding her hair. And guys, I did not have to add any braiding hair in her hair at all. Aliyah's hair has grown so much, it's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna show you guys the first couple parts of me braiding this hair, and then I'm going to show you guys how it look when we're all done. Because Aliyah's hair is a little bit shorter, you just wanna make sure if you're doing a short hair client that you sew the hair in the back together, and you put a net on it so that way the hair does not come out. So I did do the net and sew the braids down. I believe I did it off camera, on camera, I cannot remember. But as you guys know, I'll just show you guys everything. And I'm also using the Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges just to braid her hair down. It's a little bit better than the Shine Jam, and it also has the Miracle Drops infused in it, which is gonna help promote healthy hair growth because we wanna grow her hair nice and healthy and long. And while I remember, I did just braid her hair going all straight down towards the back, just to not cause any tension on her hair, and then I just sewed all the braids in the back down together. I did this just because we were going to sew on all 3 bundles, and I did not plan on having any leave out besides just the top and the sides. And in between braids, I did use a rubber band and a hair clip just to make sure that her hair did not unravel until I was done. So this is how the hair looks braided, nice and neat. Again, like I said, no hair added. Aliyah and I were geeking. You already know how we are. We definitely need to come out with a channel, guys, because like her energy is just freaking amazing. So this is how the hair looks. And then I'm just gonna spin her around and show you guys how it looks before we start doing the braids. So I did the net off camera. I believe my phone died at this point. So I'm just going in with that first bundle of hair, and I'm just making sure to double knot each weft so that way the hair does not come out. You want to make sure that she has a nice sew-in that lasts a while until we do our next look. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew this in, and I'll come back when I'm done. Also, because I'm using 3 bundles, I do double the wefts and fold them over. I do not cut the wefts until I get to the very top of the hair just so it can lay super flat. But typically when I do the back and the middle of the hair, I will fold the wefts over as long as they're not too thick. Just so that way when she takes this hair out, she wants to use it to do another install or a ponytail, it's not cut up in a million pieces because nobody wants to Tetris their hair, guys. So I try to hold on to as much of the hair as possible and only cut what needs to be cut. So here I am just going in at the top, just sewing her down. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna cut any of the excess pieces that are hanging over, and then I'm gonna start to blend her leave out. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just cutting that little piece of weave, and it looks amazing already. This curl looks so bomb on her. So I'm just going in. I did put a little bit of the Fanola serum in her hair just to protect it from the heat. And then I'm just pressing her hair out, and then I'm going in with the wand curler that I got off of Amazon. You guys already know, I will link it down below. And I'm just going ahead and wand curling her hair. Because it is super blunt cut, a couple pieces were sticking out at the end. But when I tell you Aliyah and I finessed this, like I just went in and I went ahead and just wand curled it to the best of my ability. And then I went in with like a comb and some soft hold spray just to marry all the curls together. And then Aliyah, when she got home, we did twist her hair off camera. And then she got home and did like these cute twists, and it came out super bomb. So shout out to you, girl. So this is what I'm talking about here. I'm just going in trying to blend it to the best of my ability. This is one way you can wear it. And then I'm just gonna show you guys in a second how Aliyah styled it. And of course, you wanna make sure that her edges are laid, honey, using Miracle Edges by Kaleidoscope. And now I'm gonna pan out to how it looks now. And then I'm gonna add Aliyah on the screen. She was kind enough to send me a little video of her at home after it dried and she restyled it. So here it looks now, first part of the install, and then here she comes in just a second. So look how cute this is. She really fleeks her baby hairs out. She did some twist in her hair, and then she's just gonna spin around and give you some face and some life, honey. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Shout out to ULAHAIR. I will tag everything down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.